We are here in Sibiu, in Romania. This is the first day of the Red Bull Romania Rally. We had big fun here during the prologue. It was a race, really a downtown race over artificial obstacles like wood and old cars, old trucks, and going through the playground and fantastic track. And before that I did a little show, and tomorrow will be the first day off-road in the mountains, and I'm really looking forward to a selective, tough race tomorrow. See you tomorrow.